Lincoln High, straight level crossing in Lincolnshire. Okay, it's 07:48 on Saturday the 3rd of February 2024. We are waiting for your early 07:53 Northern train service from Sheffield. For them to go back out later at 08:26. And we can't put him on 5A because he says he's going on to 5A, but we can't get him on there because there's an EMR empty stock coach in there. So we'll have to do something with it. Probably try to put him onto 4 or 3A. Depends. He says he's going out on 5A, but we can't. How are we going to put him on 5A? That's the thing. Alright, let me see. Joins it. Yeah, they're putting him on the down main, probably going into 3A by the looks of things. He's 3 minutes early. Thank you. 195017. From Sheffield. Right, released. Gone. Just worked out why we've got a green signal on the down main. Probably for that. Here we go. For your early 0820 Collars Rail freight service from Kingsbury Oil Sidings to Lindsay Oil Refinery. I was just reading something and the bloody barriers went down.
What train's coming, Terry?
Eh?
What train's coming?
Oil train.
How do you know that?
Timetable.
What number?
I don't know yet.
I'll find out.
How can I find out? It's running bloody early, like really early. "90 seconds on video." Yeah, as you can see, that empty stock coach in platform 5A, that empty EMR stock coach in platform with that what do you call it? That red flashing thing. I don't know what you call it. Yeah, didn't know it was going to come this bloody early. Yeah, the points have switched. Oh, I can see it down at East Holmes. East Holmes, sorry. That's how you pronounce it. Yeah, I can see it now. It is a class 70. Class 70. What am I saying? Right. Yeah, here it comes. Train's approaching. Yeah. LC trains are mini LC trains. Nah.
LC trains?
Yeah. Thank you, 70804. Like those, yeah, like those wheels on a rail tour. For Lindsay Oil Refinery. Right, released. Gone. After a quick break at McDonald's, we're back. Oh, here we go. Bonk. Lay down. Yep. 0825, 0820 for the 0826 Northern service to Leeds. And for the, also for, if I can find it, for your early 0859, freight line station, no, GBR rail freight service from Felix goes south to Doncaster Eyeport. It's just got to wait up at outside Central Bank for a bit because we need to let this Northern out. Train's approaching. No, it's not. Yes, it is. 195017. Thank you. To Leeds. Right. What are we doing? Right. Past the junction, so we were released. We are released, I think. Yes, we are. Fucking hell, that wasn't even 30 seconds! Here we go, again. Bonk. Oh, so we were the only one that went up then? 0827 for the early 08:59. GBR Rail Freight service from Felixstowe south to Doncaster Airport. So we were the only ones that bloody went up then. They stayed down. I'm just waiting for the points switch. Not unless they're putting them up on the up main. I don't know what that is. That was literally like a 10-second gap. Oh no! Wait, hang on. No, this is 08:43, 6 Mike 57. Lindsay Oil Refinery, Kingsbury oil sidings. Right. 70817. Running approximately 11 minutes. No. Running approximately 13 minutes early. Waiting for Brayford. Thank you. 08:54 the early, 08:55 Northern Train Service from Leeds. Look at that. Look. Oh. No, they're out of sync now. Both pedestrian lights were flashing at the same time, like almost like that, like the lights do. So, yeah. think this cable needs retightening back up so then it'll stop hitting the floor. And that's why it keeps hitting the bloody floor and it goes down, because the tension cable's not tight enough. It's a little bit loose, so I need to tighten the cable. I need to tighten the cable back up. What was that trying? Nope. No, I still know start the train. Train's approaching. Oh, 5021. From Leeds. Right, release.